Conducting a performance review. The Sprig Performance Review feature allows you as a leader to access a performance evaluation process. Using this feature, you as a leader rates and provides feedback, comments on each goal and competency, as well as discussion point responses for each of your direct reports. After significant time has passed, you will begin the performance review process. You will complete your part of the evaluation by completing the leader evaluation for each direct report that you manage. The leader evaluation is similar in many ways to the employee's self-evaluation. To start a performance review, from the Leaders homepage, click the Leaders tool icon or the Leader tab. Select a direct report from the list and click the Manage button next to their name. Click Performance Reviews under the Overview drop-down menu. Click Start Evaluation to begin rating goals and competencies, if applicable to your organization. Here you can also send a reminder for your direct report to complete their self-evaluation. If needed, you can also schedule a meeting from within Sprig Essentials. When you are ready to conduct your leader evaluation of your direct report's performance, click Start Evaluation. Upon accessing the leader evaluation, you will review each of your direct report's goals and competencies one at a time, conducting an assessment of their performance. We have made this process intuitive and simple, providing a clear layout, ratings that are customized by your organization, and a comment bank to help you list accomplishments. You will then provide discussion points and submit your evaluation. You will notice that there are quick tabs along the top of the review. You can click any of the tabs to go to each portion. You can complete them in any order as you wish, so long as each goal and each competency and discussion point does have feedback and a rating submitted. You can now begin the rating process. Evaluate your direct report's performance by selecting an appropriate rating for each goal and competency. You can click to provide the rating or use the slider bar menu to see where your direct report falls. You must also enter a piece of feedback. You can use the comments bank for thought starters to guide you in your writing, or you can type a comment as needed. If this goal does not apply to your direct report, you can click Skip Rating this goal to give it a not applicable rating. This will be not included in the calculation of the overall performance. Ensure that you save each rating. If you scroll to the bottom, you will see a What's Next section. This clearly outlines what is next in the performance review process. Proceed on to rate competencies. Rating competencies is done in the same fashion as rating goals, and that you must select a rating as well as enter a piece of feedback. It is also helpful to note that if you need further definitions as to what each of these ratings mean, hover over and click on each of the ratings to receive a more detailed definition. Once again, when you have finished rating each section, scroll to the bottom to see what's next. Proceed to add discussion point responses. In the discussion point section of the leader evaluation, you are required to comment on your direct report's overall performance. Provide some details about what your direct report should start doing, continue doing, some things that are getting in their way, and finally, provide some summary overall comments about this performance period in the last space provided. Please ensure that you click the Save button to save your feedback. When you have completed and saved your leader evaluation and are ready to submit, click the Finalize Evaluation tab on the bottom of the homepage under the section titled What's Next. Review your leader evaluation. If you need to edit your evaluation, click on the quick tabs at the top of the screen to return to each area you'd like to revise. Revise your rating and comments as needed, and then click Finalize Evaluation. When you finalize your evaluation, the system will provide you with a summary of each of the tasks that you have just completed. The system will also indicate if there are one or more sections that are incomplete. You will not be able to submit your leader evaluation until you have completed each section in the review. Please note, once you submit your evaluation, you will not be able to make any changes unless the SPRIG administrator reverses the submission by request. Once your leader evaluation has been electronically submitted, you can view your evaluation at any time, print it to PDF, or view scores so far. Once your direct report completes their self-evaluation, you can view a side-by-side review. Here you can also send a reminder email if your direct report has not yet completed their self-evaluation.